I'm totally furious because so few people realize this. They don't realize the Nasdaq's up nearly 40% this year. They don't realize, especially if they're in Britain, that their SIP and ISA could have had those stocks. Instead, they've got EWU, which means United Kingdom stocks, and they're only up 10%. So I'm 4 times richer than them this year in gains from my portfolios and the stocks that I have in my SIP and ISA. So is my son and so is my wife. And once you start compounding that over a number of years, you start to realize that actually Brits are losing out because they are not earning off the labors of, well, American global multinational technology companies. And this year's not been the only year. You can actually look back at over a prolonged rolling period. And it infuriates me that they don't know this. If you are in that position and you're miffed with your IFA and your investment trusts and your fund managers and you want to learn how to do it yourself, just have a look at my campaign for $1million.com or alpeshpatel.com/links, because we want more people to learn how to do it themselves and be more in charge of their finances and their pensions, because if they're not, they're going to underperform. And all their hard work in their day jobs is going to be put in the bin as some IFA or investment trust fund manager takes all their money in fees and gives them pathetic returns instead. And you might say, what about volatility, Alpesh? Well, what about it? If you're not even getting a return, then what the hell do you care about volatility? Anyway, good luck. Have a look at campaignfor$1million.com.